Welcome everyone. Glad to have you here. In this video, I'll show you how to change your message ringtone in the Botim app. If you're tired of the default sound or want to personalize your notifications, this guide will help you easily set a custom tone for your incoming messages. First, open the Botim app on your phone. Once the app is open, look at the top right and tap on your profile photo. Next, scroll down and select the Notifications option. Then, under the Message Notifications section, tap on Notification Tone. After that, tap on the Sounds icon. A list of available tones will appear on your screen. Browse through the sounds and listen to them until you find the one you like best. Finally, once you've chosen your preferred tone, tap OK to confirm your selection. From now on, your Botim message notifications will use your new ringtone sound. If you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video, and share it with your friends. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.